Okay, so for question number one here, okay, the first we have to define this absolute value of x minus 1. Okay, since for this limit, x approaches 1 from the left, so we have to define lah. We have to define for absolute x minus 1 here, where x look x minus 1 here should be equal to, the first one is a positive bracket x minus 1 for x greater or equal to 1. Another one should be negative bracket x minus 1 for x less than 1. And then we will look at on this side, since this limit as x approaches 1 from the left, so we have to choose this one lah. Why? Because for x less than 1, should be x approaches 1 from the left. But when the question is asking for x approaches 1 from the right, so we will choose for x greater or equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, this question will be, okay, limit x approaches 1 from the left. Okay, this one will be equal to 5x minus 5 over, okay, this one we will choose negative bracket x minus 1. Okay, when we substitute here, we will get 0 over 0. So 0 over 0, there are two possible solution. Either we have to multiply by its conjugate, or another one we have to factorize. Okay, so when it comes to multiply by its conjugate, it will involve cert. So this one doesn't involve any cert, so that means we have to factorize. So the main idea is this one. We know that 5x minus 5 can be factorized. Okay, in this case, it will be equal to, don't forget to write limit. As x approaches 1 from the left, bracket 5 bracket x minus 1 over negative bracket x minus 1. Okay, this one, we know that on numerator side, x minus 1 can be eliminated by on denominator side. So next, we will have limit x approaches 1 from the left. So 5 over negative 1 will be negative 5. So the answer here should be negative 5. Negative 5 is C.